Security is one of the central pillars of SwayHorizonAI. In an environment where digital transactions and sensitive information are constantly processed, the platform emphasizes protection at every level. SwayHorizonAI uses multiple layers of security, including advanced encryption and secure communication protocols. These technologies help ensure that user data remains protected from unauthorized access. When financial operations are involved, SSL technology is applied to secure card-based interactions. This adds an additional level of safety during transactions and helps maintain trust within the system. The platform also follows strict global compliance standards. Verification procedures are part of this framework. Users may be required to confirm their identity or provide documentation when completing certain actions. While this may seem procedural, it plays a crucial role in preventing misuse and ensuring account integrity. Another important factor is transparency. Each step within the system is structured and trackable. Users can clearly see how their data and requests are handled, which reinforces confidence in the platform. SwayHorizonAI also places responsibility on users to comply with their local regulations, including tax obligations. This creates a balanced environment where both the platform and the user maintain accountability. Overall, SwayHorizonAI combines advanced technology, compliance standards, and structured processes to create a secure and reliable environment.